Hello, my name is Absalam Adawas. I'm 19 years old and I represented the KIRIBATI Steering Campaigners Network on Climate Change at the recent UN Small Islands Development Summit in Apia, Samoa. As a teenager grasping the meaning of world politics around the issue of climate change does not fit in my world, where youthful and next to parents, dreams are so much part of my daydreaming. My abode of fun, the sea and my sandy beaches, at first glance now will disappear. Even that the sea will not stop, it will continue to undermine my well-being, encroaching further inland as the years go by. Where there is water, there are people. Would there be enough for me and my future children and their children? I heard in somewhere that my fate is the same of those children in the Marshall Islands, Tuvalu, Tokelau, and the Maldives, a group of atoll nations sharing this earth with you and everyone. I salute countries who continue to lead the world in providing innovative solutions to clean energy and countries who continue to provide positive commitment to their most vulnerable neighbors. From KIRIBATI and on behalf of other children in all atoll nations of the world, this is our gift. Thank you.
This is our song to the world. Two countries polluting the atmosphere. Hear cries and our pleas. We want to live on the shores and not victims of climate change. We want to live on the shores and not victims of climate change. Our voices to climate justice is our chorus to you. We are small, we are vulnerable, we are the front line. So please save us and never highlight. This is our call to you. Our voices to climate justice is our chorus to you. We are small, we are vulnerable, we are the front line. So please save us and our highland. This is our call to you. We are gathered to fight for climate justice as youth. Our atoll nations are just 3 meters above sea level. We are vulnerable. We are the front line. We have no way to go. We have no mountain. We have no way to hide when the angry waves are coming. rights to life and health. Our country, this is our call to you. We call on industrialized countries, USA, China, Russia, France, and all developed countries. We stand with our own president of KIRIBATI, His Excellency, President Another Dawn. And we need your helping hand. We do not want to pay the ultimate price of your actions. We are the children of tomorrow. We are human beings like you. We live in one world. We are your little brothers and sisters. So please save us and our islands. We are calling from the Pacific nations. So please pick up your phone and answer.